Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a product update for you guys on Pentair in-floor cleaning system, formerly known as A&A. This is their new pop-up head. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, I've got Pentair in-floor cleaning heads here in front of me. These are their G4 style heads. I just wanted to kind of go over an update for you guys that they did, so that way when you get these in the mail from us, or you come and pick these up from our local retail store, you're not bamboozled by the change in the actual color on the head. So if you'll notice, I got a white head here and a light gray head here. They have changed this bottom piece. This bottom piece is not going to affect the way that the head works. It was actually a good adjustment in order for them to fit into their newer colors better. So no matter what color you get, you are going to see a different gray on the bottom. So obviously we just wanted to kind of let you guys know that. If you hit the website, we'll actually have photos of both the original versions as well as this new updated version, so that way you guys can kind of see the difference. It used to be one solid molded piece, and now they have this other addition of just this dark gray. So it's not going to affect how the head operates in terms of a bad way. It's only going to help it in a good way, just to fit better in those collars. But we just wanted to let you guys know that that was done from a manufacturing level at Pentair, and this is not a different type of head, no knockoff. These are still original OEM A&A manufacturing heads, formerly known as A&A. It's now Pentair in-floor cleaning. But we just wanted to give you guys that update so that you guys know what to expect. Again, when these are going into your pool, you will never see this part on the bottom, so it does not matter. The only part you're seeing is this top part of the head as well as the color ring that they have. But it will affect all the new white heads as well as the light gray and dark gray heads. So we just kind of wanted to walk you guys through that, let you know that this is a decision made on the manufacturing level. So don't think you got anything wrong. We just wanted to kind of keep you guys informed. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe for all our new updates coming your way. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.